In this video, I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know about thermal printers. We'll discuss a lot of topics such as thermal printer features, why someone would need a thermal printer, and the differences between thermal printers and inkjet printers. I'll also be unboxing a brand new BPXX thermal printer. I'll show you how to connect it, install the drivers on your phone and computer, and how to print your first label right from the app on your phone. By the end of this video, you will be an expert in thermal printers. We have a lot to cover, so let's dive in. If you have an online store or a small business that ships products to customers, then I would definitely recommend getting yourself a thermal printer. With a thermal printer, you can print a variety of items such as receipts, invoices, barcode stickers, custom design stickers, and shipping labels with high quality and speed. I love that they require no messy ink or toner cartridges, which not only saves you money, but also reduces waste. BPXX was kind enough to sponsor this video and send me a thermal printer to teach you all about. At the end of this video, I'll share a discount code with you to save you some money on one. Before I started using a thermal printer, I would handwrite shipping addresses on a box with a Sharpie marker. This was an amateur mistake. Printing shipping labels on a thermal printer keeps things organized and professional. Take your business to the next level with a thermal printer. Thermal printers aren't just for business owners either. Students can use them to print assignments and study materials. Families can use them to make labels to stay organized. DIY crafters can create custom labels for their packaging, adding a professional, personalized touch to their creations. If you're enjoying this video so far, I would love it if you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. My name is Kerri, and I'm here to teach you about all things Cricut and small business. From learning the basics to mastering advanced techniques, I'll be your go-to source for tips, tutorials, and creative ideas. The best part about this channel is that I also teach you the skills and information you need to turn your crafting hobby into an income-generating business. If this sounds good to you, click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. You might be wondering, why are thermal printers used for shipping labels? What makes a thermal printer better than an inkjet printer? Here are some reasons why thermal printers are better for business use. Speed. Thermal printers are generally faster than inkjet printers. They work by applying heat directly to the label or paper, resulting in almost instantaneous printing. This speed comes in handy when you deal with high volume printing. Thermal printers do not require ink, toner, or ribbons, which can be costly and need regular replacement. This makes thermal printing more cost effective and less prone to running out of supplies at inconvenient times. Thermal prints are typically more durable than inkjet prints. They are resistant to smudging, fading, and water damage. This durability is crucial for applications like shipping labels that may be exposed to harsh conditions. Thermal printers are known for their reliability and low maintenance requirements. Inkjet printers often require cleaning and maintenance to prevent clogs and other issues, especially if they're not used regularly. Thermal printers are quieter in operation compared to many inkjet printers, which can be important in office environments where noise levels matter. The BPXX printer is built to save space. Its sleek design and compact size makes it perfect for businesses with limited work areas or those on the move. Thermal printers are commonly used for barcode printing due to their speed and accuracy. However, it's important to note that thermal printers have limitations as well. They are primarily designed for specific tasks like label printing and may not be suitable for producing high-quality color graphics or photos, which inkjet printers excel at. Thermal printers typically do not print in color. The most common type of thermal printing, known as direct thermal printing or monochrome thermal printing, uses a thermal print to apply heat to the surface of thermal paper or labels. This heat activates a chemical coating on the paper, causing it to darken and produce a monochrome, usually black, image or text. On the other hand, inkjet printers are versatile and excel at producing high-quality color prints, making them a better choice for tasks like photo printing and graphic design. The choice between the two depends on your specific printing needs. Overall, the speed, efficiency, durability, and cost-effectiveness of thermal printers makes them great for small business needs, like printing shipping labels, streamlining the shipping process, and ensuring accurate tracking and delivery of packages. Turn your thermal printer on, make sure it's plugged into the back and the wall, and then flip this little switch. To insert the label paper, you have to flip open the top with this little tab. Then grab your paper, make sure the sticker side is up, and slide it under these two slots. Then close the top. And it automatically brings it to the right spot. This thermal printer allows you to work from either your computer or your phone, which is really cool because if you have an online business and you do a lot of business on your phone, you can print right from their app. There's two different ways that you can get the app on your phone. So you can do it with the QR code from the instructions, or you can go to the Play Store and download the app. I would recommend going to the Play Store and downloading the app because if you do it through the QR code, it's gonna do it through Google Chrome. And Google Chrome doesn't want you to download external apps onto your phone. Like, you're not supposed to download apps through Chrome. So I got like a scary notification from Chrome saying that I'm downloading malware and that you shouldn't do that. So I asked my husband about it because he's a big computer geek, and I'm like, is this some like shady program that I'm trying to install on my phone? Should I not do this? And he said that it's not shady and that that's totally normal, that you'll get that pop-up if you try to download an app through Chrome. What he recommended was to go to the Play Store instead, and I did that, and then I didn't get any kind of pop-up warnings. So you can download it either way. Just know that if you go through the QR code, you're probably going to get a warning. But this warning doesn't really mean much. So when I went into the app, I expected there to be like a quick and easy way to do a test print for a label. I didn't see any kind of way to do that. So what I ended up doing was I went to Google and I searched for shipping label test print PDF. Printing from the app is super easy. All you need to do is get a shipping label, save it as a PDF, and then import it into the app. This is how I did a test print for my phone. First I went to Google, then I typed in test shipping label PDF. I clicked on the first one. It's downloading, so click download, and then open the file. Once you have the file, you have to open it with the app. So click the three dots in the upper right-hand corner, and then click open with, and then select that 4 barcode app that you just installed. Now you can select the paper size. So there's 4x4, 4x6, or 4x8. The labels that they sent me are 4x6 inches, so I selected that, and then all you have to do is click print. And then confirm print. You can connect to your device with the USB or Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. I did Bluetooth. Allow while using this app. It's the 4B one. And then click confirm print. You can also import PDFs that you save. So you can go to PDF print, then open local file, and then you can find the file that you saved. And click the size. And then hit print. Printing from the app is super easy. All you have to do is have the shipping label. If you're wondering where you get a shipping label from, you usually get that from the carrier, the mail carrier. Or if you use PirateShip.com, they also have a way to make shipping labels. Type in your address and then the address you're sending it to, and you can download and print a shipping label through them. If you're in the market for a new thermal printer, I would totally recommend this BPXX direct thermal printer. I'll leave an affiliate link down below in my video description. If you make a purchase through my link, I will receive a small commission at no additional cost to you. Save 10% off your order by entering the code Cricketer1, but don't wait too long because this deal is only good from September 15th of 2023 until September 25th of 2023. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this one, check out the playlist coming up.